In order to convert from a mixed fraction to an improper fraction, you need to know how to multiply. That's actually much easier than converting from an improper to a mixed. Why? Because all you really need to do is take your base, which I'm going to write out in color code. So A, B over C. And we want to turn it into some number D over C. So what we need to do is first go C times A, which will equal CA, and then we have to go, CA, and then we need to go CA over C plus B over C equals D over C. So that's the basic way of how to convert mixed to improper. So let's see it with numbers now. So C is 15, A is 4, B is 14. So what it says is we should go first C 15 times A, which is 4, which equals 60. Second thing we should do is now we have 60 over 15. Over 15 plus 14 over 15 will equal D over 15. What is 60 plus 10? It's 70 plus 4 is 74. 74 over 15. And now can 74 be divided by 3? 7 plus 4 is 11. No. Can it be divided by 5? No. So therefore this 74 over 15 is our final improper fraction. Let's try another one. 3 2/5. So what the theorem says, or what the idea on the right says, is that we should take 5 times 3 equals 15. Then we should take 15 over 5 plus 2 over 5 to equal 17 over 5. Can 17 over 5 be reduced? No. Therefore 17 over 5 would be your final answer. Let's do one more just for good measure. 15 1/2. So let's think we have our 2 times our 15, which equals 30. And then we have 30 over 2 plus 1 over 2 equals 31 over 2, which also cannot be reduced, and therefore your final answer.